Hello. Today I am going to discuss Junior English Book 3, page number 12. And today actually I am going to do a comprehension and its name is The Crows and the Snake. I have already discussed many comprehensions and there I have told when you will go to do any comprehension, that time first you have to read the extract properly. Then after finishing the extract, you will get some question and then try to answer this. So we will follow same rules here also. First we will read the comprehension properly, then we will try to get the question's answer. So let's read. Here, see, long ago in India, a pair of crows nested in hollow tree, at the bottom of which lived a fierce snake, which used to eat the young birds as soon as they were hatched. Oh dear, how can we stop this horrid snake eating our children? Said the mother crow one day. We must get rid of him, my dear, replied the father crow. But that is impossible, said Mrs. Crow. You know very well that he is much stronger than we are. Don't worry, my dear, answered her husband. Just leave everything to me. The following day, the king's son came down to a nearby river to swim. No sooner had he entered the water than the father crow seized the lovely gold anklet which the prince had taken off and dropped it inside the hollow tree in which the crows had their nest. When he was dressing, the prince noticed his precious anklet was missing and ordered his servants to search everywhere for it. After some time, the missing anklet was found in the hollow tree. The servant also found the cruel snake and killed it, and so the crows were able to bring up their next family in peace. This fable teaches us that skill will often make up more lack of strength. So interesting story it is. So let's read the question. What is written here? See, first question. Here, why were the crows unable to bring up a family? So we can get it from this place. Here, see, in the first paragraph, here it is written, long ago in India, a pair of crows nested in hollow tree at the bottom of which lived a fierce snake which used to eat the young birds as soon as they were hatched. So what we can write, the snake used to eat the young birds as soon as they were hatched. So that's why the crows unable to bring up a family. So we can write here in this place, we can write the answer number 1. We can write according to the question. I told you several times, when you will go to write the question answer of any comprehension, that time follow the question properly. It means you have to write the answer according to the question. Here, see, the question is in past tense. You have to write in the past tense and you have to bring also some words from the question. Here, see, why were the crows unable to bring up a family? Here, we can start from this place. The crows unable to bring up a family because the snake used to eat the young birds as soon as they were hatched. As soon as they were hatched. Next one. Why did the mother crow think that they could not get rid of their enemy? Why? So see, in this place it's written, but that is impossible, said Mrs. Crow. You know very well that he is much stronger than we are. So here we will write 2 number answer. this place we can write 2-number answer. The mother crow think, here it will be thought because question is in past tense, so we will write the mother crow thought that they could not get rid of their enemy because the snake was what? The snake was much stronger than the crows. Was much stronger than the crows. So we have finished 2-number. Now 3-number. Here it is written, see, who came down to the river the following day. 3-number, we know this is very well. See, in this place, the following day the king's son came down to a nearby river to swim. So here we will write what? So answer will be so easy here. The king's son came down to the river the following day. Next one, 4-number, see. Here it is written, why did he come? Here it is written, the following day the king's son came down to the nearby river to swim. So answer is he came to the river to swim. So we can write the 4-number question's answer here in this place. He came to the river to swim. Here, this one. Why did he come? This is in past tense, so we have to write the question is in past tense. If you don't understand present past tense, so I have uploaded a video about tense. You can watch it and you will get a clear idea after watching it. So here answer will be, he came to the river, what? To swim. Next one, 5-number, see. What did the crow take when the prince was swimming? So he did a clever work on that time. See, here it is written, no sooner had he entered the water than the father crow seized the lovely gold anklet which the prince had taken off and dropped it inside the hollow tree in which the crows had their nest. So here we'll write the answer. We'll write the crow took the lovely gold anklet when the prince was swimming. Okay, 6-number, see, here it is written, where did he hide it? Where did he hide it? We know this very well. See, where it was, see, seized the lovely gold anklet which the prince had taken off and dropped it inside the hollow tree. So inside the hollow tree, we'll write here the answer, 6-number answer. Here we can write 6-number answer. So we can write the answer over here. That will be, he hid. Why hid? Because hides, here see, 6-number, where did he hide it? So hides past tense is hid, so that's why I have written here hid. He hid it He hid it in the hollow tree in which the crows had their nest. Next one, say 7 number. What did the servants find in addition to what they were looking for? So we know what they had got. The servants also found the cruel snake and killed it. So when the servants entered there, so they found the cruel snake in addition. So we'll write here in this place. 7 number we can write in this place. Answer will be the servants found the cruel snake in addition what they were looking for. 8 number. Why were the crows able to bring up their family in peace after this? This question's answer is not written here. You have to guess it. You have to understand it. Like from this place, the servants also found the cruel snake and killed it, and so the crows were able to bring up their next family in peace. So now if you read the question again, why were the crows able to bring up their family in peace after this? They were able to bring up their family in peace after this because the snake was killed, or there was no ferocious snake. So we can write it here in this place. See 8 number, we can write the crows were able to bring up their family in peace after this because there was no snake to eat the young ones. So I think you have understood all the question answer what we have done today. Next day we will do page number 13. There we will find gender. You have done several times. After that you will get over their gender. Today up to this. Bye.